Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Coding Captain. Today video is going to be more excited because I will told you that how we can host this website in free on Netflix. Okay, are you excited? Let's have a look. So simply go to Netlify website, and if you do not have account, just sign up first. Okay, but I have, so I am logging to my account. After login we have to fill this field first. Okay, so then this step we have to skip. Okay, so look, this is the dashboard. Okay, then go to site. As we can see, there are three ways to deploy our website. First one is import from Git. It means if you have existing project by using Git, we can deploy. And second one is from template we can deploy, and the last one is drag and drop. This method is so easy. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so first go to our project folder, and here we have to select all file and folder except .git file. Okay, then compress to zip file. It takes some time. So okay, after this just drag and drop that zip file to here. Okay, now it's offloading. Look, here we can see site has not deployed yet. Okay, but it takes few seconds to deploy. Look, now our website has been published. Just click on this link. Look, now our website is live. Okay, in this way we can host our website on Netlify. Okay, and one more feature that I like most in this, that is, look, this website URL is like blah blah blah. Okay, but that's not looks good. So if you want to change its URL name, you can just go to domain setting, then click on options. Here you can choose any name, and that name not be used before. Okay, now we can click on the new link that we can created recently. Okay, let's see, its URL has been changed. Okay, and that old link is not open now. Okay, in this way we can change the website URL on Netlify. Okay, and on Netlify one more features, that is form. Okay, in this website, if you go to form section, it was managed by backend side. Okay, but if you want to manage without backend or any database, that we can done by Netlify form. Okay, that I am going to show you on my next video. Okay, also we can add custom domain on Netlify. For that we have to buy any domain and go to domain setting, and here we have to add that domain. Okay, but our motto is for student who can host their website for free. As you know that in free version there are some limitations. Okay, limitation like Netflix provides limitation space up to 1 GB, as you can see, and in form there are some limitation from submit. Okay,